Are you ready to start making money online by selling digital products, but you're just not sure where to begin? I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 8 profitable digital product courses that you can start selling right now. And the best part, not only can you resell these courses for profit, but you'll also learn incredibly valuable skills from them along the way. Now, if you've been around my channel for a while, you'll know that all of my content is based on real experiences and lessons that I've picked up throughout my digital marketing journey. I'm a really big believer in not just throwing out random information. It needs to be backed by experience or knowledge. So when I put this video together, I want you to know that I've got both when it comes to today's topic. I've gone from being a full-time freelance designer to a digital marketer, and let me tell you, that transition has been a little bit wild, but totally worth it. But here's the biggest thing that I've learned. If you want to sell digital products, your job is to become a great marketer. And guess what? That doesn't always mean creating everything from scratch, especially when you're just getting started. Other people are already ahead of the game and have created amazing products. So why not leverage that? And that's why I want to tell you about digital marketing courses. And here's the cool thing. A lot of them you can also resell, become an affiliate, use what you have learned to create your own stuff, and so much more. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone, learning while making money. Before we dive any further, I got some free resources linked below to help you get started selling digital products. And everything mentioned today is also linked below, so make sure to grab what you need. So how does reselling courses actually work? Before we get into the list of courses, let's talk about how it actually works when you're reselling these digital courses, because it's not as complicated as it sounds, but it's also not as easy. Okay, so when you resell a course, you're essentially buying the rights to sell that course as your own product. These rights can come in the form of PLR, which stands for private label rights, or MRR, which stands for master resale rights. What's great is that you don't have to create any of the content. It's usually all done for you, and you get to rebrand it, tweak it if you're allowed to, and sell it for 100% profit. The main thing you're paying for is the license to sell. So you can set your own price and sell the course directly to your audience through a sales funnel, website, or even on social media. And trust me, this is a great way to start making money online without spending weeks creating something from scratch, especially when you don't even really know how to yet. So let me take you through some of the most popular and the most profitable courses on the market at the moment. The Legacy Builder Program. This is a course built around helping people to create a lasting, impactful online business. What makes it really special is the focus on long-term success and creating a legacy that lasts. This course has made over $50K for some sellers, making it a solid choice to resell. It's a bit of an investment though, but if you're serious about helping people build a future-proof business, this course will do it. Plus, you can use System.io and you can automate your funnels, capture leads, and build an audience effortlessly. Inbloom. Next up is Inbloom, a course in the personal development space. It's all about helping people grow mentally and emotionally, which makes it perfect for the self-help market. What sets it apart is how it taps into the booming self-improvement industry, a niche that's always in demand. Some resellers have earned around $25K from this course, making a fantastic option for those who want to dive into the personal growth niche. This course goes for around $150 to $200, I think, and that's a pretty good price point for reselling. And yep, if you want to use System.io, you can totally do that, because once you learn the skills of digital marketing, System.io is that one tool that's going to help you get from A to B really quickly. Digital Wealth Academy. If you're looking for something that teaches people how to build wealth online, DWA is the perfect way to go. This course focuses on generating income through digital products and online strategies, which is perfect for anyone looking to break into the passive income scene. DWA has helped sellers bring in over $100K in total revenue, which speaks to its power as a resellable product. And yes, if you want to use System.io, then you can set up your funnel and let the platform do all the heavy lifting. Simply Passive. Simply Passive is exactly what it sounds like, a course that teaches people how to create passive income streams with minimal effort. The real selling point here is its simplicity. It breaks down complex strategies into easy steps that even beginners can follow. With sellers reporting earnings between about $20K and $50K, Simply Passive is a great option if you want to resell a course that appeals to those looking to make money without a ton of upfront work. The resale rights for this course is about $400, which is not a bad investment, especially when you're thinking about the return. And System.io is the perfect platform for selling this one. You can automate the whole process and focus on growing your audience and becoming the best marketer that you can be. The roadmap. The roadmap course is all about providing a clear, step-by-step guide for starting an online business. What makes it unique is the simplicity of the instructions. No fluff, just actionable steps that beginners can follow. The roadmap has earned sellers around 10K to 30K, depending on how much effort they put into marketing it. And some actually have made so much more than that. Now, the most recent version of the roadmap seems to have an affiliate program, but there is an older version which is still around and it has the exact same content, but it just has the resellable rights to it. And yes, you can sell it easily through System.io. Just create a straightforward funnel and let the platform handle the rest. Passive Profit Millionaire. Passive Profit Millionaire is a high-ticket course that's all about scaling income to a serious level. It's designed for those who are ready to take their passive income streams and turn them into massive profit generators. This course stands out because it caters to a more advanced audience or a slightly more advanced audience and people who are looking to hit really big numbers. Some sellers have made over 75K from this course alone, and of course, System.io is perfect for this. You can set up a high-ticket funnel to maximize sales. The System.io Funnel Crash Course. The System.io Funnel Crash Course teaches people how to master building sales funnels with System.io, which is a key skill for anyone in the digital product space. It's really unique because it focuses specifically on System.io, making it super niche and relevant for anyone wanting to sell products through funnels. I really like this one because it helps you set everything up in your account and really get going, and it gives you a really good base knowledge of System.io without overcomplicating things. Sellers have earned anywhere from around 5K to 50K depending on their audience and marketing. And since it's literally a System.io course, you can seamlessly sell it through the platform itself. UBC, Ultimate Branding Course. Last but not least, we've got the Ultimate Branding Course. This course helps people build strong, recognizable brands, which is really essential in today's crowded online market. Branding is everything, and this course really gives you the tools to stand out. Courses in the branding niche have earned sellers up to 30K in total revenue. It's about $500 to buy the resale rights for this course, but it's well worth it if you're retargeting entrepreneurs and creatives who want to build memorable brands. And yes, System.io is a great place to sell this course, especially since you can build branded funnels to match. But how do you pick the right course to resell? It really comes down to a few things: your audience, the course content, and the value it brings. Plus, what are you going to get out of it? First, think about who you're selling to. Are they entrepreneurs? Are they creatives? Are they people looking to build passive income online? Really knowing your audience is key to picking a course that they'll actually buy. Next, look at the course content. Is it high quality? Does it provide real value? Because if the course doesn't deliver, it's really going to hurt your reputation as a seller. You want to sell something that you're proud of, so check the content thoroughly. And think about the price. Some courses are more expensive to buy but offer huge profits, while others might be cheaper with a more beginner-friendly experience. Make sure the course aligns with your business goals and your customers' needs. And finally, yes, I've been talking about the reselling points for this whole video, but you also need to make sure that this course is for you, because you are going to be learning everything from this course. Does it sound like something that you would want to do and learn? Now, while reselling these courses is an added bonus, your main focus should actually be what you are going to learn from it and what you're going to be able to implement from it. What to expect when reselling. Now, before you go ahead and grab all the resale rights to these courses, here is a little tip. Don't just buy something because it sounds profitable. While I know that that's a really great selling point of a lot of these courses, make sure to look at the content. After all, you're putting your name behind this product, so you want to sell something that you really believe in. Check the course, make sure it delivers value, and make sure you want to learn from it. Because everything that you're going to be learning from it, you're going to be implementing. Now that you know the top 8 digital product courses that you can start selling online, it is time to take action. I know it might seem really scary at first, but I've been there, and everything that I create is a result from doing one of these courses. And there's really no better time to get started than now. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comment section below of the video. I try to answer every single one of them. And make sure to check out this video because it's definitely going to help you level up even further.